Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Red color, brown color, pink color, black color, purple color, blue color, green color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark green color and orange color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A for apple. B for book. C for candy. D for doll. E for elephant. F for flag. G for grapes. H for hand. I for ink pot. J for jellyfish. K for knife. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pumpkin. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sunflower. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zip. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.